U.S. sector performance, December 22nd to 26th. U.S. indices largely trended upward last week, with the S&P 500 and NASDAQ hitting record highs on Friday. Sector movement was defined by a rotation back into growth and defensive stability. Leading sectors, information technology and consumer discretionary led the charge, buoyed by a rebound in AI-related names and a Delaware court win for Tesla. Materials and utilities also saw significant gains as investors positioned for a lower rate environment in 2026. Laggards, energy was the primary detractor, dropping roughly 1.5% as crude oil faced pressure from rising non-OPEC plus supply. Real estate remains the only sector expected to finish 2025 in negative territory. Here at the stock market performance playlist is this week's stock terminology learner. What are the FOMC minutes? The FOMC meeting minutes are records of the discussions that take place during the Federal Open Market Committee (FOMC) meetings. For traders, FOMC meetings are a time of particular volatility because any change in federal fund rates can affect a range of economic variables such as short-term interest rates, foreign exchange rates, long-term interest rates, employment output and prices of goods and services. As of December 29, 2025, the global markets are navigating a Santa Claus rally window amidst the holiday volumes. Here is a breakdown of the current market landscape. Global conditions and news. Week of December 29th. Global sentiment is cautiously optimistic. While the US and Japan are ending the year on a high note, Europe remains subdued due to stagnant private consumption. Trends. A notable year-end trend is the surge in gold and silver, with both hitting fresh all-time highs, gold at greater than $4,500 an ounce, as geopolitical tensions and deficit concerns drive a flight to safety. Regional outlook. US-Japan. Both markets are benefiting from soft landing hopes and recent rate clarity. UK/Europe. Trading is anemic with indices like the FTSE 100 edging lower due to healthcare and banking drags. Projected top movers by exchange. Based on market capitalization and current momentum, Santa Claus rally AI trends. Exchange. US. Nvidia. NVDA-AI licensing news. Tesla. TSLA-record highs post-pay deal. UK. Shell. SHEL-rising oil tensions. Astrazeneca. AZN-defensive rotation. Europea. ASML-semiconductor recovery. LVMH. MC. Luxury year-end demand. Japan. Toyota. TM. Strong global exports. Sony. 6,758. Tech/entertainment surge. Anticipated news for the forthcoming week. The final week of 2025 is light on data but heavy on central bank signaling. FOMC minutes. December 30th. Investors will pore over the minutes from the Fed's December meeting to confirm the trajectory of rate cuts for Q1 2026. BOJ summary of opinions, released today, December 29th. This will provide clues on the Bank of Japan's appetite for further rate hikes following their December move to 0.75%. China PMI Purchasing Managers Index, December 31st. New Year's Eve manufacturing and services data will be critical to see if China's economy is stabilizing or requires further stimulus. Help us to bring you the best content possible. Subscribe, share, like, and comment.